Hi, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to build a simple restaurant website using this agent of Replit.com. Is one of the cloud-based application which is using agentic AI. So you can see here, I have already inside the interface of Replit.com where we have different user interfaces and the interfaces ground here. Mm, I'm going to start a new agent here. I'm going to type a prompt. I just would like to give a prompt to this agent so that agent will work with the development environment together and write a code, and we can check the both sides, meaning that communication with agent and whether the agent is following our communication in the right hand side interface playground. So built a website about restaurant Gurkha, a Nepali restaurant based in Sydney, Australia. Okay, let's give this prompt to this agent. Also add like theme color should be red and black with web theme background white color. Please make it interactive and clear and interactive, and let me clear and concise. Okay, let's give this prompt and let's see how it works. How the agent is working is, firstly, the agent is going to think, reviewing the prompt and considering the options and determining the next steps here. So we can see create an interactive naval restaurant website for using React, TypeScript, and then JS or JavaScript, right? And it is pausing for the some region. Oh, it's waiting for my response because create an interactive naval restaurant and till when CSS, TypeScript, and React code using React, right? So would you like to? So I'm going to choose this options as a prompt by selecting the options given by the agent, and now it is thinking. I'll help you to create a website restaurant Gurkha with red and black theme on white background. Let me start by the basic structure and components. So it's thinking now, it's reviewing the message that I entered just now and still thinking, and already started generating code. At the right side you can see theme.json file, and in the left hand side determining the next steps, thinking and determining the next steps. So it is saying that I'll continue setting up restaurant Gurkha website by creating the main application structure and components. So it's going to create a source file f.tsx and create a client file under the source file, again layout.tss, and at the right hand side we can see the CSS HTML code. And here thinking deeply, it is thinking deeply before decide what to write, what code actually need to generate, right? And then it is also saying that it's create a missing pages for menu about, at the same time is thinking very deeply so that it is for the restaurant what we need for, right? I mean, what are the pages that we need to create restaurant website menu about and then contact sections and update homepage to match the restaurant theme. So it is working together with the prompt and also coding together with the interface and development environment that's given here. So based on the prompt. So there are three different pages already created, and it's now first screenshot it is given to us. We can see join list, method, features, and book table, and signature dishes, and also wages restaurant, something like that, right? And features, method, and join wait list. And now, if we click here, we can see that the contact us page. If we click menu and home, it will again come to the page that displayed. And then again, it's very interesting, right? It's a Replit developer. It's a agentic AI which is developing a website for us. So from zero to deployment, it will work fine. Honestly, guys. So this is really awesome. This is magical. We can see, and then let's check each and each of the buttons whether they are working fine or not. See, everything working fine. Just 5 to 10 minutes it will generate the website, it will develop the website. So we can think of like the future of developer, future of software engineer based on this, you know, task done by agentic AI, the agent of replit.com. It's very, magical. So let's prompt, please replace Gorka logo, because there is no any name matched to the restaurant called Gorka logo to product. Let me define a little bit. Product flow. Even if I don't write correct sentences, I mean based on grammar, it will also understand that, and it will make correction itself. So I'll update the replace product flow with the restaurant Gurkha logo and the navigation header. See how it understands. It's really amazing, really amazing. So here at the right hand side, we can see the interface, the client source file layout section. It is going to amend, and the colors, and then giving us back the screenshot to check whether the prompt based features or the structure that isn't followed or not. So again, is the restaurant Gurkha logo text visible in the header, and is the navigation working properly? It is asking that question to the user. For now, it is asking to me. So we at the same time we can also check the website whether it is working fine or not, all the buttons, all the navigation bar and all that, and we can reply, we can prompt. So this product flow should be the name of should be Gurkha. Okay, it's thinking now because I'm also pasting this menu names. I'll update the layout to replace product flow with restaurant Gorka in the header. See how fast it is reacting. It's working fine, by the way. So let's update, please. Maybe because of my internet, and but the agent is thinking, and it's working fine. Right hand side, see, it's already given the code there. And on the other hand, here in the left hand side playground, I'll update all the remaining references to product flow, features, method, and join waitlist to match our restaurant theme. See how deeply the agent can think, and how deeply it can decide. It's better than human in some sense. It's really, really magical things. So I'm still thinking about what about the future of developer and software developer in you know if the agentic AI working fine in this way, and then we also can think of like the future of you know the software developer is in risk. So now here presented result to the user, right? It's presented the result to me. So again, it's checking with me whether all the features are correct based on my prompt or not. So it is asking for my, you know, reply, and then I'm going to check this, and then now after checking all, everything is okay. So I said yes. Great. So that you have confirmed the changes that I marked that task as completed. See how good it is. And then open for deployment, right? It's open the report. The agent has reported new progress, updated the new website theme from the product flow and all that, and removing all the template content and ensure navigation work correctly. So everything looks good. So it's refining and filtering the process of these things and giving us the final product as before the deployment, right? So agent is waiting for your response. You can see there. So it is waiting for my response. Now let me reply to the agent. You are providing the latest screenshot only. I'm checking this. What it reply? I understand you are asking about a screenshot. The app doesn't automatically provide a screenshot. I can only verify functionality through the feedback tool. Would you like to me check specific visual elements or layouts on website? See how good it is. Oh my god, so magical, so magical. I can't believe it. So now let me check the website. It's given me not only the screenshot but also the file given here. But anyway, I'm just try to interacting with the agent. It is again thinking. All the visual elements have been updated, right? It's replying. And now let's go and check in web view, which is the real website already built by agentic AI, the agent of Replit. And now checking each of the functions. Welcome to Restaurant Gurkha, blah blah blah, our story, our cuisine, our menu features traditional Nepali dishes and all that, right? And the menu here, contact here, name, email, and message, the contact form, and home page. We can see the book table button there, and we can view the prices, main course, and starters, signature dishes, dal bhat, butter chicken, and also why choose restaurant Gorkha, authentic taste, fresh great ingredients, expert chefs, and also the contact details, and also the footer there on the website. So I reply, great, deploy it now. So now it's thinking again. The thinking process is really, really amazing. Each step of thinking really includes all the deep thinking, which includes development environment. It will also think about the coding part. It will think about the prompt analyzing and everything. So now could you please verify the website is accessible and all features navigations? It's already given there. The Restaurant Gurkha website is already live and accessible through your Replit URL. Now let's go and try to you know access the site that's prepared built by agent. Guys, this is really amazing. Let's go and check. This is the web view. Yeah, once again, this is the web view. We can change the custom color, we can change professional tint to tone, we can change the sizes of that, and then there's so many options. We can change theme, we can change the size of website based on the devices we use to visit website, and also dev tools there. So many things. So we can use agent developer tool. This is the agent at 25 cents per second, and then it's given assistant and progress. We can view the progress on the we can check the console or the terminal, and web view. That is what we are looking at the right hand side. Playground and deployments options is here, and so many tools, integration, deployment, authentication, database, and so on and so on. So many things, so many functionalities, so many functions, and the agent is very creative and very mind-blowing, you know task doer. I would say that it's a really amazing and magical thing that we can do using this agentic AI tool. So agent will do. Now check, let's check it again. Based on different sizes, Samsung, Galaxy, so many devices here. I mean preview, it will preview the how it looks like on that particular device, right? Gurkha view menu, restaurant Gurkha, and then again Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus, Galaxy S20 Ultra Duo, Galaxy 7 Jade Fold 5. This is how it looks like. Phone second SE, iPhone SE, and completely fine, right? iPhone 14 Pro Max, and again iPhone XR. That's generated after the deployment. This is the full website generated built by this agent. Awesome, wonderful. Just prompting within, just interacting with the agent. It's for only 10 minutes, and the website is ready now. See, everything working fine. So thank you for watching.